Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I have a new planner to share with you today. This is the Jibun Techo 2025 diary. It's a Japanese planner that features various yearly spreads, monthly spreads, and vertical weekly spreads. Here you can see most of the text is in Japanese, but the titles, months, and days of the week are in English, so it's still usable for those who don't read Japanese. I'm trying this planner for next year because I'm on the hunt for a vertical weekly planner that works for me. I wanted a planner that has plenty of space to block out activities and also a spot to write down my to-do lists. In the front of the planner, there's tons of pages for books you've read, wishes, different hobbies, and there's also a spot to track your habits already built in for each month of the year. Here's what the monthly spread looks like. What I noticed that's different about this planner is there's a little emotion tracker for each day, which I thought was fun. And I just like the clean, simple layout of it. The planner runs from November 2024 to March 2025. Now we're at the weekly spreads. You can see the timestamps for the whole day, and it's a 24-hour time system. There are spots on the left for your to-do list and another emotion tracker at the bottom, along with 3 other spots you can use for meal planning, gratitude, tracking exercise or meditation, lots of ways to use that section. At the top, you can track the weather with the little weather icons, and I think that's a cute touch. There are colored tabs for each month. And at the very back of the planner, there are some extra pages to look back on the year, some railway maps, time zones, and that's it. The back cover of the planner has a little card slot and a pen holder, and I also took the cover off to show you that whatever color you get is just a piece of paper slipped inside, so you could easily change that out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below with what planner you are going to be using next year, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!